Greetings, Gulls, and welcome to This Week at Endicott. I'm Rebecca Turner.
And I'm Michaela Mickelson. Here's what's happening this week across campus.
On Tuesday at 9:30 a.m., stop by the LSB lobby for a continental breakfast to celebrate the Muslim holiday of Eid al-Fitr, which marks the end of Ramadan.
If you still have the munchies after that, from 10 a.m. until noon in Lower Callahan, there will be a pancake bar as part of a Stress Less, Smile More week. While you're in locale, enjoy one of the massage chairs in the stage room. They will be there all week.
After all that eating, get your walk on with the Beverly Council on Aging. Join our elder neighbors for some light exercise and conversation. Meet outside Wiley Conference Center and Fountain at 10 a.m. Sign up through the link in your Blue Buzz email.
From 3 p.m. until 5 p.m., help build a bed for local children in need with the Massachusetts Coalition for the Homeless, because every child deserves a place to dream. This, A Bed for Every Child event, takes place in Lower Callahan. You can sign up in advance in the Blue Buzz.
At 5:30 p.m., enjoy some great music with the Chamber Ensemble and Friends in concert taking place in the Rose Theater.
Stop by Gullies for Oasis Tuesdays at 7:30 p.m. with $5 frozen mocktails and for Tuesday trivia starting at 8:30 p.m. featuring an Endicott theme.
All day on Wednesday, stress less and smile more while enjoying movies and a popcorn bar in Lower Callahan.
At noon, meet at the Clock Tower and be part of the second annual March to End Asian Hate.
Both the men's and women's lacrosse teams have moved on to the CCC semifinals, and the games are taking place at Endicott. Men's start at 4 p.m. and the women's is at 7 p.m. Stop by the Hempstead Stadium and support your teams.
At 7:30 p.m., the percussion ensemble is in concert in the Rose Theater.
On Thursday, you have another opportunity to join our elder neighbors from the Beverly Council on Aging for some light exercise and conversation. Meet outside Wiley Conference Center in Fountain at 10 a.m. Sign up through the link in your Blue Buzz email.
Between noon and 4 p.m., stop by Lower Callahan for the Coloring on the Go part of Stress Less Week.
Head over to the Beverly Senior Center from 4:30 p.m. until 6:30 p.m. for game night and pizza. Join in the fun with a good old-fashioned board game. Sign up through the link in your Blue Buzz email.
At 5 p.m. in the LSB Auditorium, enjoy the thesis presentations from the seniors majoring in digital filmmaking and digital journalism. Get those bragging rights when you say, "I knew them when."
At 5:30 p.m. in the Hospitality Suite of the Post Center, celebrate Catholic Mass and enjoy dinner. There will also be time for confessions starting at 4:45 p.m.
Also at 5:30 p.m., Modern Band Project presents Raise the Roof on the VPAC Green Roof. Enjoy a variety of rock songs and singer-songwriter styles performed by a collection of talented students.
Starting at 7 p.m. in Gully, celebrate Cinco de Mayo featuring DJ Curtis, a limbo contest, piñata raffle, and specialty drinks. This is the last night Gullies will be open for the semester.
On Friday, be part of the DEI's Dine and Dialogue series in the Hospitality Suite. You can register for either the breakfast at 8 a.m. or the lunch at noon by using the link in your Blue Buzz email.
At 2 p.m., all faith groups and meditation groups are welcome to join the Interfaith Celebration, taking place in the second floor Hempstead Commons Seminar Suite.
From 3 p.m. until 5 p.m., check out the college-wide senior thesis celebration in the VPAC. All the majors are represented, and you can view their projects on display as well as enjoy the presentations.
At 3:30 p.m., it's Discovery Friday with the Service Office. This week's trip is to Newhall Farms in Peabody. Get off campus, learn about a local nonprofit, and grab dinner with Lori.
At 8 p.m., what better way to move into the weekend than to enjoy Stress Relief Friday with Gary? Stop by Lower Callahan and visit with Endicott's own Comfort Pet.
Still harboring some rage after chilling with Gary? Well, on Saturday at 1 p.m., head to Lower Callahan and smash your stress with a mobile rage room. Naturally, there will be smashed potato bar, too.
At 7:30 p.m., the Endicott Singers present an evening of great tunes and a performance entitled Pops. Head over to the Rose Theater in the VPAC and check it out.
At 9 p.m. in Lower Callahan, enjoy a little late-night loca and some stress-less activity with a Pinterest craft night.
On Sunday, before you dive too far into those textbooks for finals week, consider taking a little time to help out others. From 4:30 p.m. until 6:15 p.m., volunteer for the St. Peter's Dinner Serve, where you can help with the pickup, setup, and distribution of meals to others in the Beverly community. You can sign up through the link in your Blue Buzz.
At 7 p.m., unwind from the weekend before finals start with Slow Flow Yoga in the aerobics room of the Post Center. Reserve your spot using the link in the Blue Buzz.
On Monday at 9 p.m., enjoy the famous finals feed in the Callahan Dining Hall. Endicott faculty and staff will be on the hand to prepare and serve hot breakfast items for you to enjoy before starting that all-nighter of studying. Be sure to stop by.
Speaking of comfort treats, our next segment has perfect timing because it will show you how to make a delicious and easy snack for those late nights. Let's check it out.
Welcome to this week's ECTV News Feature segment. My name is Samantha Doucette, and I'm your host for today's show, Recipes for Dummies. Today, I'm joined with our very first guest, Tommy Connor. How are we doing today, Tommy?
Can't complain. Having a great day so far, and can't wait to get on and make some food.
So, have you ever cooked or baked before?
Once or twice. I like making pancakes. It's probably my favorite thing to do, but...
Alrighty, so we're going to begin. So here's how the game works. You will have 8 minutes on the clock to complete the recipe. Put it in front of you. You aren't allowed to look at the recipe. Before I hand all the ingredients you will need are right in front of you as well. Does this make sense to you?
No. I got it, though. I think essentially what you're saying is I got to find what I believe is going to be needed for the recipe,
Yes.
Bring it up, and then I find out what's in the recipe, or I just have to wing it.
Are you ready, Tommy?
I'm ready.
I'm going to set a timer right here. Right now.
Mm-hmm.
Ready? You have 8 minutes. Starting now.
I can look at this, right?
Now you can.
All right. Here we go. All right, I think that's flour. All right, taking that off the table. Let's see. Milk. We got milk right here. I need my measuring stuff. All right, we'll put this right here and here. Oh no. All right. Sun chips. I don't think we need these. I'm gonna put this in a pile. All right, what's this? We definitely need butter. Sugar, we probably need that. I'm not gonna look at the recipe though. Probably need this as well. M&Ms, we need it too. And chocolate chips, that's there. I don't think we need salt. Let's check. Oh, we do. That's kind of surprising. I'm assuming I need these utensils. That's vanilla. Here we go. All right, how are we looking on time?
7 minutes and 12 seconds left.
All right, we're making good time. All right, first, 1 1/3 cup of flour. All right, I think this is the flour. I'm probably not wrong though. Do I need gloves for this? Yeah.
Alrighty, so here's a fun fact about cookies/cookie dough. Did you know that there is even a museum dedicated to cookies in the U.S.? The National Cookie Cutter Historical Museum is located within the Joplin Museum Complex in Joplin, Missouri. It displays all sorts of cookie cutters from around the world.
All right. Do we get any cookie cutters? No?
No.
Damn it. All right.
We're not baking.
I don't know. You never know what you'll need.
And you got 6 minutes and 28 seconds.
It can be like more fun. Oh man, I'm making bad time. It could be like more fun if we had like the cookie dough and then you put it into the cookie cutter. Then you have like
Right.
little shapes.
But I mean, they just fall apart.
I mean, that's the fun of it, right?
I mean, I guess.
All right. Oh shit. Oh no. All right, here we go.
There you go.
So far, so good. Oh geez. Don't you need to cook flour?
No?
I don't know. Ellie, do you need to cook flour? Uh-oh.
No.
All right, here we go. We need 1/4 something of salt. Cup? Oh no, teaspoon. I got my teaspoons and my tablespoons really messed up, so we gotta make sure I don't screw this one up.
Good luck.
1/4 teaspoon. 1/2 a teaspoon. All right. Time check.
5:30.
All right. I'm averaging like what, one thing a minute?
You're right.
It's not that great.
So fun fact number 2 is, did you know that the earliest cookie-style cake was invented in the 7th century AD, Persia? Historians say that the first cookies were used as test cakes to test out the batter.
Thanks, Sam.
You're welcome, Tommy. I hope you find these
To
to help your knowledge with
That was
this.
too much. It could. I doubt it. But it could. All right, let's see. What else do I need? Sugar. Okay. 1/2 teaspoon. The pressure's on. It really is. What's my time looking like? Is it 4?
4:45.
Okay. 1/2 teaspoon. There we go. I'm sorry to whoever's sugar this is.
Mia's, our lovely director.
Thank you, Mia. Boom. All right, so basically what I'm trying to do here is put anything that I've already used right here so you don't get confused. All right, half a cup of butter. I don't know, I might try to save time and throw the whole thing in.
Oh, Lord.
That might work.
I mean, it might be perfect.
Okay, it is perfect, but like, I don't know why I use my hands. I got the glove on, but it, like, initially I thought that was a great idea, but I guess not.
Do you need another napkin?
No, it's good.
Oh,
It's good, it's good.
Still gonna.
I got it, I figured it out. I need this, which I should have seen before.
One more fun fact before we keep going is Cookie Monster's real name is Sid, which I did not know that until right now. I think that's kind of cool.
That's great.
He's my favorite monster.
My favorite monster would probably be Sully, because
Yeah, he's pretty great.
he is like really, you know, one of the best monsters in that universe, and you know, just think he just got some crazy power.
322.
3 tablespoons of milk. I'm convinced you have to cook flour, but I could
You
be
can
wrong.
slide the lid
Yeah, but like
pour it.
I'll spill it if I do that.
I don't think you will. If not, if you do it over one of the bowls.
Hold on.
Do you need help?
No,
Oh, okay.
I almost did. All right, here we go. Thank God I didn't pour this whole thing in. I was really tempted to. That would have been
That
messy.
would have been disgusting for me to eat later.
3 tablespoons. All right, this is dirty. I'll put this in here. All right, what are we at now? 2 minutes and 42 seconds?
You're correct.
No way! That is incredible. All right,
job.
let's see. Honey to taste.
Oh, gosh.
That's not enough. All right, here we go. Do you like honey?
I do. You don't eat, okay. Fun fact number 4 is that Americans consume over 2 billion cookies a year, about 300 cookies per person. That's a lot of cookies.
Wow. What is that guy? What is
Sorbet.
He's like, oh, maybe that wasn't the
A fun
greatest
fact about
idea.
him is he now has a, what's it called, restaurant in Boston.
Does he work there?
He shows up randomly.
Oh, wow. That's incredible. It's pretty expensive, though. How am I looking on time? 53 seconds?
145.
I was so off.
You were. You were right on the money for the last one, though. I'll give you that.
All right, let's see. I didn't even look. I swear.
I mean, you can't. My screen keeps shutting off.
All right, I'm glad this looks really good, guys. Just trust me here. Look at that. Just trust me.
Beautiful.
It's almost done. I feel like I'm forgetting something.
Probably.
1/3 cups. Oh, man.
Alrighty, and then, so I'm going to go with one more fun fact before our last one. So fun fact number 5 is that the average American eats 35,000 cookies in a lifetime. That's a lot of cookies. And I probably eat about the same amount.
I feel like that was a good option. I feel like I don't know.
Am I going to get food poisoning? You have 45 seconds left, Tommy.
45 seconds?
And I'm going to go in with our last fun fact, which is half the cookies baked in American homes each year are chocolate chip.
Yeah, I gotta say, I followed this to a T. I thought,
You got 30 seconds.
if only this was recorded, and then we could actually, oh wait. All right, I think I'm gonna use my left hand. Do you care if I use my
Go
left hand?
for
to
it.
Just try to make it go a little
Go for
faster.
it.
Oh wait, that actually made it work.
What?
Sort of. All
You
right,
got 15 seconds.
count me down. Count me down,
13,
Sam.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your time is up.
Let me show you.
Sorry, guys, I don't have sound on this.
All right, there's still a little bit of like flour in there, but that's what it looks like.
So how do you think you did?
Honestly, I could have done better, considering it's kind of dry-ish. I feel like I followed it. I don't know. Maybe the recipes aren't just for dummies; they're for like really dummies. Because maybe I didn't figure it out, but Anyways.
Alrighty, so we have an example to compare it with
Oh no.
that our lovely director Mia made last night for us. Thank you, Michaela.
Jeez, that is a lot.
So let's do a nice comparison. Where do you want me to point it? So this is Mia's, and now we'll go to Tommy's. You can just look at that loveliness.
Yeah, there you go.
And-
Hopefully, you don't drop anything.
Alrighty. I'll try Mia's first.
I'm sorry, Sam. In advance. Don't worry, I'll prepare you like a nice.
Not gonna lie, it's good if I can taste the flour.
Wait, hold on. Let me chew a better piece. All right.
Are you gonna feed it to me now too?
No. Wait. All right. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's not bad.
Yes.
It's very chewy.
Am I allowed to try my own creation?
Yeah. You want to try
All right,
Mia's
let's
too?
see. Yeah, I want to try Mia's.
Like yours is just already like a solid.
I feel like, what did I do wrong? 3 tablespoons of milk? Man, I don't. let's
Did you do
see.
teaspoons?
Oh, this is like. See, mine is like.
Yours is like the frozen ones that Ben & Jerry's makes.
Mmm, yummy. All right, we'll see. Wow, that is. I cannot imagine how mine's gonna taste. I'm honestly scared.
It's amazing.
Why'd you lie? You lied to my face.
I did.
Oh my god, that is awful. How did you like swallow that? I did.
You did.
I did.
Alrighty, Tommy. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for
Tommy,
having me.
make sure to, or not even Tommy, everyone, make sure to stay tuned to see what our next contestant will be making.
That's all we have for you this week, goals. Enjoy your summer break.
Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next semester.